is an old one, but a good one. This one is a battery replacement for an iPhone 5. So I've got my replacement no-harm battery, and I will be attempting to use all the tools that come in the toolkit, which personally I don't really use them, but I thought I'll give them a crack. So I've got pentalobe, Phillips, pry tool, suction cup, and one battery. Start by using the pentalobe screwdriver, undo the 2 screws in the bottom. And then from there I'll be using or attempting to use the suction cup to lift up the screen just a fraction that I can slide in the pry tool to lift up the screen. So I'm actually surprised how well this toolkit's actually going. Normally I find this to be a complete pain. And one thing you do want to be careful is make sure you don't pull it all the way with the suction cup, or else you will lift the glass off the frame and damage it that way. So loosely pry it around, and bam, I'm in. Now from here, if you've never done it before, you might want to disconnect the screen, but I've done this many times, so I'm just going to disconnect the battery, which is 2 Phillips head screws and a small shield. So shield off, then you want to use your fingernail to lift up the battery, and then you should be able to use the pry tool to lift that battery up and out. Now I'm also curious to see the quality of this battery, and also the quality of the new battery. So looking on the back, we see it's dated 2012. So it's quite an ancient battery, this one. Close to 7 years old. And as we can see here in the stats, 608 cycles, running at 63% battery life, completely drained. So not that great. I'm curious to see what the no-harm battery comes up as. And it's detecting it as an iPhone 4S original battery. So I'm assuming the charge controller in the new battery, is an older OEM iPhone 4S charge. Anyway, it should be fine. Simply reverse it, connect up the battery, or connect the battery connector. Once the connector's done, push the battery in. Just be careful of the flex cable. Put over the battery shield, put in the 2 Phillips screws. And then from there you should be right to push down the screen, put the 2 pentalobe screws back in, and you should be finished. So as I said, this one's an old one, a quick and easy one to do, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.